I'm Togi. I protect this city. What is that? I noticed something strange. Notice means to see something important. Oh no! The purple light disappeared. Where did that light go? We have to search. Search means to look carefully for something. They're stealing our city's light! Hey! The aliens are making our city dark. We have to protect our city. I agree.
Agree means to think the same.
Give the light back. Give the light back. Give the light back. He's their leader. A leader shows people where to go and how to do things. The alien leader is stealing all the city's light. The city lights are gone, and the tree is bare. Bare means without leaves or covering. My magic! It's getting weak. Weak means not strong. Thank you. That was gentle. Gentle means kind and careful. Let's talk to their leader. Do you need energy for your spaceship?
Yes.
Then you don't need to take all our light. I can make the energy you need with my magic.
Togi and Dagi saved our city.
They're heroes!
A hero is someone who does something brave or good.
Who are they?
They're Togi and Dagi. They're very famous. Famous means known by many people.
What a feast! A feast is a large, special meal.